It all happened 2 years ago. He took away my innocence.
Oh, Mr. Notch is the devil himself. How can the father defile his own daughter?
This is totally unacceptable in the sight of the Lord.
But I will problem, and I'm a Sakura Ketwa, no one more of our busy. Would deny me.
Nanka tuo hye me so ese wa wo kura sika fa beje nkwa no nanka ma yiwo wa ma se me se no meboa anke so ponk yi mu pagya wo so wa de beti ane sound
hweye na ena ene agya ano eye boso
school fees na me ba beje hwe afi na ba be go record
no angaga na 15k ni.
I say them be criminals.
Forget about the criminal. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, you don't go to the SU.
Uchocho muchobeni
Me ba ma mu ba na gina ho no.
ene nti wo hwe nyame anim de woti koma abonsam na ne die.
Me! Oh, Jesus.
What the hell is going on?
Something jumped into you and then all of a sudden you started raping girls.
Franca is 8 weeks pregnant.
I am the bishop of the biggest congregation in this country. I will not allow this scandal to destroy my reputation and integrity.
Getting her pregnant was not part of the deal. Do you remember?
Can't we just take the little we'll be able to milk out of her and bolt out? Let's get out.
You were a fool.
Obechie di say niya me nua timi ni me kunada.
We should expose them. No, we need to beat them to their own life.
Maybe in my next life.
And God himself will find a way for us.
Amen. Fix you.